How's it going, everybody? It's Christian L here with eatlikeanapex.com. I'm going to do a vlog here at this restaurant called the New England Lobster Market. I've been here before, but this is something I want to do again because I've ordered the crab sandwich, specifically the Dungeness crab sandwich. And I'm going to show you that right now.
It looks like they're getting the food ready. This is the main kitchen. Well, not the main kitchen. I haven't been seen in the back. But they got like a lot of pots going. The soup, the crab, the lobster, everything is getting filtered in this area here. And the soup is being served over there, where they serve the food.
So I got the Dungeness crab sandwich over here. As you can see here, it's stuffed full of crab. I've never had a crab sandwiches here, but it is Dungeness crab. It looks really good, and I'm gonna go ahead and dig right in. Looks like they have lettuce. They got some tomatoes in there, a tomato, and a type of bread. It might be a brioche bread. Yeah, it is. It is a brioche bread. Before I even take a dip into this thing here, I'm gonna put some lime on it. And
Thank you.
here we go. Take that bite. Ooh. Yeah, definitely hefty crab sandwich. And every time I come here, I like to use their habanero, mango habanero. Put some of that mango habanero inside of the sandwich here. Really good with the mango habanero. You guys want some of this? These are one of these sandwiches that you kind of want to just keep eating and not stop and talk. But I gotta stop and talk real quick just to share with you how delicious this is. That bread is really good. It's a brioche bread, kind of toasted, lightly buttered, and has a nice little soft crisp to it. It's not too crunchy, but nice little crispy, probably toasted sandwich. Excellent. All right, so now they offer this lobster bisque soup right over here. Nice chowdered lobster bisque soup with corn in here. I'm gonna have that nice lobster flavor, and maybe some chunks of lobster as well too. So excited to take this first little bite here. That's good. Wow. Ooh. Yeah, you taste the lobster, corn, some chopped tomatoes. Gonna have it with some of my crab here. Dip that in here. All right. Ooh. Oh, that is really good. I'm here with the family.
A lot of opinion.
Hanging out here. Nice, bright, shiny day. Oh, that soup is excellent. Yeah, they're totally right. This lobster bisque soup has just so much flavor. Oh, Kevin just had it with chips. Look at that. You good? I'm also gonna have this lobster bisque with some chips as well. That could probably go with anything actually, not just chips or bread. I think with a lot of things. Really good soup there. Keep going here. Yeah, that's the tumbler.
Is that easy for you? Yeah. Really?
We just got done here at the New England Lobster Market and Eatery here in Burlingame, California. Just want to go ahead and recommend this place if you're ever in town. I've been here before. I tried a lobster, but like you've seen the video here, It's first time trying their Dungeness crab sandwich, which was excellent. Definitely recommend a stop by here. It does get really packed, as you can see from the video footage. So try to get here at an early time to beat the line. Other than that, the food comes out right away. It doesn't take very long for your food to get to you as soon as you order. So I'm just gonna hang out. I'm gonna end this vlog here, go to a park. We kind of stopped by a park here. With that said, I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do like it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. I greatly appreciate that. And so with that said, peace out. One love late. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications for more street food video updates from me. Take care. Bye.